bringing up this classic songs, today's music. Naisipan kong gawin yung mga old songs na kinakanta ko way back kapag nagkakaroon kami ng daddy ko, ganyan. And yeah, it's more of like a revival songs din talaga. It's more of like classic songs. Para marinig naman ng, ma-share ko yung music ko in my way of singing classic songs.
Bakit yung song na yung napili?
More Than Words, the one I'm gonna be releasing tonight, I chose that because it means so much to me. And lagi ko siyang kinakanta sa mga karaoke.
How did you come up with the 5 songs? Sa dami mo kino-cover in your social media. Paano mo na-come up yung 5? Yung
5 songs, well, isa-isay natin yun. I feel like ayun yung mga malalapit din sa akin and sa family ko. They know the Brian McKnight, they're a big fan of it. And yeah, lagi ko siyang kinakanta po talaga sa mga karaoke, especially nalagay pag may karaoke, kinakanta ko siya. And I just put on those songs, those 5 songs specifically.
Reflecting na on your birthday, tingin mo, how far have you gone sa career mo and ano pa yung mga dream mo pang ma-achieve?
Well, I think bago pa lang din naman ako, matagal-tagal na, but then I'm still looking forward for more projects and para ma-share pa natin yung music natin maybe all throughout the world, di ba? Hindi na sa Pilipinas, hopefully internationally din. And yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Meron ka din bang music video for this one?
Music video po, wala pa po. Pero meron na akong visualizers for More Than Words na i-release sa atin tonight din also. Pero for the 4 songs, wala pa po tayong music video. Sana po, abangan.
Patrick, kanina sabi mo kabadong-kabadong. Kapag parang sanay ka naman on stage, provincial shows.
Yeah, I was saying kanina kapag mga close friends and families, tas ganito ka-intimate, parang nanginginig talaga ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. But then, I think we just finished the whole show and I'm very happy na natapos natin lang kahit paano maayos.
Bakit pala yun yung song na dedicated mo for your friend?
Yung Your Song, because if you listen to it, parang it's more of like, loving someone unconditionally, and I love my grandma. She's very, very special.
Do you consider yourself a mama's boy?
Yes, actually.